Hey, what's up? I'll leave you alone forever now. You know this one girl with hair that looks like this?
Yes, that's Ramona Flowers.
She's out of your league.
You know her? Tell me now.
She just moved here, got a job at Amazon.
I have to order something really cool.
Scott, are you waiting for the package you just ordered?
Maybe.
Scott, Pilgrim.
Hi, I was thinking about asking you out, but then I realized how stupid that would be.
That's okay, you should just sign for this already.
So do you want to go out sometime?
If I say yes, will you sign for this damn package?
So yeah, 8 o'clock. Come to the bands thing.
You have a band?
Yeah, we're terrible.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mr. Pilgrim! I'm Ramona's first evil ex-boyfriend.
What?
Yeah!
Wait, we're fighting with Ramona?
Didn't you get my email explaining the situation?
I skimmed it. What was that all about?
If we're going to date, you may have to defeat my 7 evil exes.
So I guess what you're saying is we are dating?
I guess.
I mean, we can make out?
Sure.
Scott Pilgrim.
Prepare to feel the wrath of the League of Evil Exes.
Ramona dated twins? At the same time?
If you want something bad, you gotta fight for it. Step up your game, Scott. Break out the L word.
Lesbian?
The other L word.
Lesbians?
What are you doing?
Getting a life.
You really want to fight me? For her? Why on earth would you want to do that?
Because I'm in love with her.
Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. Out in theaters May 23rd.